Now we're getting back into the videos. Hopefully you haven't missed them too much. We are going to start in our language arts notebook, so go ahead and get into our language arts notebook. You might want to pause me while you get there. In the meantime, we are going to go into our root words. So go ahead and scroll to slide number 20. Scroll to slide number 20. Now, when we are talking about cred, the root word cred you might have heard used recently. You might have heard of a credit card. You might have heard of credentials or incredible. But have you really thought about what those words mean? So let's go ahead and watch our video. And we're going to get an ad. So let's see how quickly Miss Jays can stop it. Oh, no ad.
Greetings. Welcome to Latin and Greek root words. Today's root word is cred, meaning believe. Cred, meaning believe, plus able, meaning able, make credible, able to believe. If someone told you they saw a mummy running across the street, would you find them a credible source of information? In, meaning not, plus cred, meaning believe, plus able, meaning able, make incredible, not able to believe. If you saw a mummy running across the street, you would think that was incredible. Cred, meaning believe, plus it, meaning a state of being, make credit, able to be believed in. I was given a credit card because a credit card company believes I will be able to pay them back. Dis, meaning not, opposite, or remove, plus cred, meaning believe, plus it, meaning a state of being, make discredit, meaning not able to be believed in. The judge says the criminal's testimony was discredited because they had video evidence showing he was lying. Cred, meaning believe, plus euless, meaning inclined to do, make incredulous, meaning inclined to believe others. I was too credulous when I believed the plumber when he said he had fixed all of the leaks. Fun fact, credo and creed are statements of what someone believes in, such as a belief in justice.
Beautiful. So now let's go ahead and move our words in our language arts notebook. We've already done credible, and they did kind of talk to you about creed. So think about them. Go ahead and pause. I'm going to start from the bottom. A person or company to whom money is owed. This person is called a creditor. Think of a credit card. This is the person who then gives the money as a creditor. Unwilling or unable to believe something. That would be you are in, because we remember from incredible, unable. Whoops. Yes, sorry. Unable to believe. A qualification, achievement, personal quality, or aspect of a person's background, typically when used to indicate that they are suitable for something or someone believes they would be a good fit for the job. is their credentials. My credentials for being a teacher are that I went to school for it and I have years of experience. A set of beliefs or aims which guide someone's actions. Now, we watch this in the video, that's someone's creed. Their creed is their beliefs that guide their actions. It's what they believe in. Which leads able to be believed or convincing as credible. A history textbook should hopefully be a credible source of information. We'll slide down into dict. Now, you have used a dictionary and you have probably made predictions, but do you know how those words connect? Let's watch the video. Come on, no ads number 2. Killing it.
Greetings. Welcome to Latin and Greek root words. Today's root word is dict, meaning say. Pre, meaning before, plus dict, meaning say, make predict, meaning say before something happens. Pre, meaning before, plus dict, meaning say, plus shun, meaning an action or result of, make a prediction, meaning saying something will happen before it happens. Some people made a prediction that the world would end in 2012 because of the Mayan calendar ending that year. Do you think they could actually predict the future? Contra, meaning opposite or against, plus dict, meaning say, make contradict, meaning say the opposite. Other people contradicted this prediction by saying the world would not end in 2012. Dict, meaning say, plus ate, meaning quality of make dictate, meaning quality of saying what to do, a command. The person in charge gets to dictate what we are going to do. Dict, meaning say, plus ate, meaning quality of, plus or, meaning a person who does, makes a dictator, meaning a person who makes others do what they say. I would not recommend calling your mother a dictator, even though she does tell you what to do. Ab, meaning off or away from, plus dic, meaning say, plus ate, meaning quality of, make abdicate, meaning to say you are moving away from a responsibility. A king or queen can abdicate their throne and let their heir become the new king or queen. Dict, meaning say, plus shun, meaning an act or process, plus eri, meaning a person or thing related or connected to, makes a dictionary, meaning how to say words and what they mean. There are several dictionaries that were written on stone tablets, with one of them being over 4,500 years old. Fun fact, an interdiction agent with jurisdiction can indict an individual who has broken an edict using a process called indictment.
Lovely. So, if we are denying the truth by saying the opposite, so we are denying, think of what our prefix or our starting would be, we would be contradict, because con meaning against. Think of pro and con. say or estimate what will happen in the future. If you are that so Raven, you predict. Pre meaning before, so you say before it happens. Also, if you don't know That's So Raven, please watch it. A ruler with total power over a country. You should know this one. It's a dictator. When you come to a decision or conclusion on an issue, you have reached a verdict. Which leaves the choice and use of words and phrases in speech or writing known as your diction, which you get from a dictionary. Also, if you guys haven't picked up on it, the mini Miss J's is in the corner. Connect to all of our words. Moving on to geo, which means earth or ground. Let's watch our video.
Welcome to Latin and Greek root words. Today's root word is geo, meaning earth. Geo, meaning earth, plus ode, meaning like, make geode, meaning rock or earth containing a space lined with crystals. I found this geode when I went on a hike through the state park. Geo, meaning earth, plus logi, meaning study of, make geology, meaning the study of earth. Geology is a class you might take in school. Geo, meaning earth, plus logi, meaning study of, plus ist, meaning person who does, make a geologist, meaning a person who studies the earth. Geology is a study of non-living things that the earth is made of. People who study geology are called geologists. Geo, meaning earth, plus graphy, meaning writing or field of study, make geography, meaning study of the earth's surface. In geography class, we not only study the earth's surface, but the people that live on it as well. Geo, meaning earth, plus metry, meaning measuring of, make geometry, meaning the study of size, shape, and other properties. I like geometry because I can actually use it every day, such as when I'm comparing how much is in each can of food. Fun fact, the apogee of the astronaut was when he was at the farthest point from the Earth in orbit. Greetings and welcome to...
I like the astronaut. You guys know why. So, looking at geo, we have preparing and growing the earth. Think about it. Think about it. I just realized, team, I have 2 geothermals. We're going to move it real quick. Relating to or produced by the internal heat of the earth, that is geothermal. But I have 2 of them. Why did no one inform me? So we'll have to go add our own definition, the actual definition in a little bit. So the studies of physical features of the earth and its atmosphere, the study of it would be geography. But the actual physical feature itself would be geographic. Last but not least, before Miss J's mess up, preparing or growing the earth is geoponics. And we have to find the definition of geologist. Oop, why am I doing that? We can do our good old... A geologist is an expert in or study of geology. Which we know means the earth. Oops. Miss J's is messing up. Ah! Is this how 2021 has started? Many Miss J's might have to take over the class. We're now going to go into graph. Words like autograph, graffiti, graphite, paragraph, and telegraph are the ones we are looking into. But first, let's look into our video.
Greetings and welcome to Latin and Greek root words. So today's root word is graph, meaning to write. Graph, meaning write, means graph, written down or drawn. My favorite type of graph is a bar graph. Graph, meaning write, plus ic, meaning having the characteristic of, make graphic, meaning having been drawn or written. I read a graphic novel about Achilles, one of the greatest of the Greek heroes. I really enjoyed the pictures in the graphic novel. Bio, meaning life, plus graphy, meaning write, make biography, meaning writing about someone's life. She is going to write a biography about me because I am very famous and everybody wants to learn more about me. Auto, meaning self, plus bio, meaning life, plus graphy, meaning write, make autobiography, meaning to write about your own life. She didn't do a good job writing a biography about me, so I'm going to write my own autobiography to make sure it's done correctly. Demo, meaning people, plus graph, meaning write, plus ic, meaning having the characteristic of, make demographic, meaning written or drawn information about people. I think this demographic about our student population is incorrect. Choro, meaning place, space, or land, plus graph, meaning write, makes choreograph, meaning written, drawn, or spoken plans for dancing in a space or area. For some reason, the dancers said they had not choreographed a space for me to dance on the stage with them. Fun fact, an epigraph is something written, like a quote, at the beginning of a chapter or book which sets forth a theme or is related to the book or chapter in some way. Another fun fact, calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting using special pens or brushes.
So, an autograph look at it. It's still there. Oh no. Oh no. We have to go through these. A distinct piece of writing or distinct section of writing is called a paragraph. A system of transmitting messages from a distance along a wire is a telegraph. You guys don't know what telegraphs are because you're too young with your TikTok and your renegade. Do I sound old enough? A very common mineral used for pencil lead is graphite. In case you didn't know, we don't use lead anymore in our pencils because it is poisonous. Not poisonous, but it's not good for you. So we use graphite instead. Writing or drawings scribbled, scratched, or sprayed on a wall or other surfaces is the thing Miss Jays doesn't want on her tables. Graffiti. Which leaves autograph, and I messed up again. However will I live this down? An autograph is a signature, especially that of a celebrity, written as a memento for a writer. If you want, I will give you my autograph when we see each other. Oops. Miss Jays. We're not doing too hot, Miss Jays. Miss Jays! We need more coffee, team. That's what's stopping us. We only got one more. Let's see if we can only have 2 mess ups for Miss Jays. The last is Hydr, meaning water, like dehydrated, hydrant, hydrate, hydraulic, and hydroplane. Come on, fingers crossed, team. Let's watch our video.
The word we are learning about today is HYDR, Hydr. This is part of a group of words that relate to water. We will also be learning about the roots aku, aqua, and mar and mer. Hydr is a Greek root. It means water. Think of things to do with water. Water drops, drinking water, swimming in a pool. There are so many things. Did you know that 75% of the earth is covered by water? It is! Water is a huge part of our lives, and we have a lot of words dealing with water. One of the words that comes from this root is dehydrate. Dehydrate means to lose water or moisture or to become dry. If you run a lot and don't drink water, you may become dehydrated. Another word that comes from the Greek root hydr is hydrant. A hydrant is an upright pipe with an outlet for drawing water from a main pipe, especially for fighting fires. We think of this word with fire hydrants. Hydrophobia is another word that comes from this root. This means to have a fear of water. People who don't know how to swim and are afraid to get in water may have some hydrophobia. Other words that come from this root are hydroelectric, which is energy from water, hydrogen, which is one of the elements that makes up water, hydraulic, which is a system operated by water or a liquid, or hydrate, which means to add or absorb water. Now it's your turn.
You don't actually have to do that part, so we're going to stop there. So, last but not least, let's go, team. We got this. A fixture in public place with a nozzle by which a hose can be attached to water. If you did not know, this is a hydrant. Like they said in the video, and like I said before, the one we know most is a fire hydrant. To slide uncontrollably on a wet surface of a road, you might have heard your parents or adults say that they would be hydroplaning, which is what that means. Cause to lose a large amount of water, that would be dehydrated. You would be dehydrated. When Miss Jays is out of soda, no, I'm kidding. I I drink so much soda that I become dehydrated and need a glass of water. Operated by a liquid moving in a confined space under pressure is a hydraulic. The big YouTube video was a hydraulic press. They're pretty interesting. Last but not least, cause to absorb water. We did it, team. Miss Jays didn't mess up on this one. Is hydrate. Go ahead and fill out your notebook. Hopefully, you should have all of these all squared away. I'll see you tomorrow.